President Yoweri Museveni ebyabigambira izuba obyaba nagambira abany'eishengyero mu rusitamo rwo kubanza kukorerwa mu byanga orwakorerwa har kaunda ground zo mu rurembo rwa Gulu.
Whatever you do, if you want the people to develop, start with the homestead incomes. Start with the homestead incomes. Because we are now talking of roads, what. There are where roads are good. The road from Gulu to Kampala is definitely good. It's not about the problem of the bridge is a recent one. It has just come now. Otherwise, the road was good. All the way from Atiak, from Bibia, was tamak all the way to Kampala.
Museveni nagira ngo hate bicweka byinji byihanga inguto zikozurwe nukwe kushaba abanya-Uganda okukora umugisha gw'enguto ziri mu ihanga okukora ibintu ebiri kubatungura.
What are you selling along that road?
So therefore, please, I beg you, I don't want Gulu confusion. That Parliament met in Gulu and confused our people and said, forget the 4 acres. For northern Uganda, we have a lot of land. No, we don't have. 10 acres is not a lot of land. Because if you are going to get 1 million shillings per acre for maize or cotton, even if you have got 10 acres, how much is that? You will not get out of poverty. But with fruits, the return is very high. In some areas, it's very high. You can get the figures.
Speaker w'ishengyero Anita Mongi yakoresa mu gishogo okusima President Yoweri Museveni ahabwa obushaji cyo bwaro kw'ishengyero rya Uganda.
Your Excellency, the sitting of Parliament in Gulu, Northern Region, in Uganda is a historic milestone in the legislative history of Uganda, as it is the first of its kind. It is the first sitting that we are having at regional levels. Your Excellency, the 11th Parliament appreciates your immense support for decisions to take place to take Parliament to the people at regional sitting.
Right Honourable Speaker, even some of us members of Parliament and the other big rich men in town, whoever gets in money thinks of transferring their homes in those countries. I felt that for the president to have fought for peace since 60s up to now, and later on integrated his son who is a general, and who made the last assault on Kony in Garamba, and delivered the tranquility that we see, it is also worth thanking the president for.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdul Karim.